Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has been making headlines in recent years as an alternative form of currency that operates independently of central banks. In this blog, we will answer the top 10 questions about cryptocurrency. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of central banks. It uses a decentralized system, called a blockchain, to record transactions and verify their authenticity. 2. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is a decentralized system that allows for secure and transparent transactions. It consists of a chain of blocks that contain transaction data, and each block is linked to the previous one, forming a chain. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. 3. How is cryptocurrency created? Cryptocurrency is created through a process called mining, which involves solving complex mathematical equations to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency as a result. 4. What are some popular cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. However, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies available on the market. 5. What can you do with cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency can be used to purchase goods and services online, and some merchants even accept cryptocurrency as payment. It can also be traded for other currencies, including traditional currencies like the US dollar. 6. How is the value of cryptocurrency determined? The value of cryptocurrency is determined by supply and demand, just like any other currency or asset. However, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency makes its value more volatile and unpredictable than traditional currencies. 7. Is cryptocurrency legal? The legality of cryptocurrency varies by country. Some countries, like Japan and the United States, have embraced cryptocurrency and have established regulations around its use, while others have banned it altogether. 8. Is cryptocurrency secure? Cryptocurrency is generally considered to be secure due to the use of blockchain technology, which makes it difficult for transactions to be altered or hacked. However, there have been instances of cryptocurrency theft and fraud. 9. How do you buy cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency can be purchased through online exchanges, which allow users to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies using traditional currencies like the US dollar. 10. Should I invest in cryptocurrency? Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, as its value is highly volatile and unpredictable. It is important to thoroughly research the market and understand the risks before investing in cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.